Now, we've decided that we should get behind the team for the World Cup because we're not there.
Yeah.
Ireland didn't qualify.
Yeah, which I only found out the other day. I actually said, let's represent ourselves.
She did actually ask who we were playing.
Yeah, and needless to say, cue tumbleweed. That's what happened when I said that. But we're over that now, and we said we wouldn't tell anyone.
Yeah, so I did put in my resignation.
Yeah, sorry about that. So,
judging by the result they got the other night against Portugal,
probably just as well.
Just as well we're not playing.
Thank you, Amy. Thank you.
Now, we've been really indecisive, though, on which team we should choose to adopt.
Yeah.
So that we can support a team. Yeah. So to make it easier for us, we've put all 32 countries, all the names, into a bowl, and we have TV3's very dapper sports presenter, Tommy Martin, in our studio.
Thank you. Just to make sure it's all above board, this is very important. So
yeah. He's here to pick the winner that gets the late lunch support, the team that we are going to adopt for the next 5 weeks.
Yeah.
Appropriately, I have my golden balls here for the draw.
It's not that kind of show, Tom. It's not.
So shall we begin?
They are polished and looking quite shiny.
Wow.
All above board. Okay, here goes.
All right, this is it.
The late lunch team for the FIFA World Cup 2014 is the Ivory Coast.
Yes! And I actually have a flag here.
Wow.
Yeah, there it is. Well, it's the Irish flag.
Yeah.
But bearing in mind that it's from 1916, okay? But as it is the Ivory Coast, it's a bit of history. Behave yourself, We're now supporting the team.
Okay,
the Ivory Coast.
We're now going to go live to Ivory Coast to see what they think of the late lunch support. Hi, guys.
We're delighted to be supporting you as well, folks. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Just so happy.
That is amazing.
It's a means of celebration.
Yes, it is really exciting.
No, Tommy. Tommy, no, you don't need to do that, Tommy.
Actually, Argentina, I'd be happy
Tommy,
with
don't do that
Argentina.
because we only want you just to take one point. Someone's calling you, Tommy.
Hang on a minute.
What?
The Ivory Coast. What? Hey, what's going on here?
Tommy, somebody's
Something's not
calling you.
right. Something's not right here.
Take his microphone.
Tommy,
This is the Ivory Coast as well. Hey,
Tommy,
this is
Tommy
not
Martin, everybody.
corruption.
Tommy Martin, what a great guy.
we followed the FIFA guidelines on World Cup. So we did. And anyway, Ivory Coast, in the hope of getting some money together for the summer holidays. She's going to Spain. We're all heading off to other pastures. Looking forward to it. Our faith will be put in line. He's going to predict the results of every big game across the tournament, which we will treat as gospel.
Okay, now I'm going to get into this. Today, the hosts Brazil take on the mighty Croatia. So let's see who will be victorious tonight, according to Lionel.
Okay. Right. Now, you see, we have
Why
to...
is it Lionel, not Lionel? So, like, you know...
Because it called after
Oh,
Lionel
God, the
Messi.
smell of fish food. Okay. So what we're going to do is... put... Will I do it today?
You have to do it today.
We're going to put equal amounts...
Of fish food either side. You remember Paul the Octopus at the World Cup in 2010? Lionel, the late lunch goldfish, he's going to do what Paul the Octopus did, only better.
Yeah.
So if you've got your few bob in your hand...
Yeah, and I'm going to need some gloves if we're doing this every day.
I think you're going to
Okay, which goal he's going to go into?
Yeah.
Will I drop? We're ready.
At the same time, let's see.
Oh, I'm so excited.
He's not interested.
Okay, this now is what
Lionel.
we like to call
Hello?
TV gold.
Hello? Lionel?
Lionel, don't let us down.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa.
Hey!
Okay. Phew. Wow.
Straight into the net. So
Who?
he reckons Brazil's going to win tonight.
Okay,
I reckon
good.
that too. Let's wait.
The heat is on, or at least it will be if Lionel doesn't get it right.
Yeah,
I'm
well,
only
we do-
joking. I love him already.